Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade ice cream. First, gather your basic ingredients: heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings like vanilla extract. Next, make sure your ice cream maker's freezer bowl has been thoroughly chilled, preferably for at least 24 hours to ensure proper freezing. Finally, prepare any desired mix-ins, such as fresh berries or cookie pieces, so they are ready to add later. Now let's prepare the ice cream base. In a medium saucepan, combine your heavy cream, milk, and sugar. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar is completely dissolved. It's important not to let it boil, just warm it through. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove the mixture from the heat, stir in your flavorings, and then chill the base in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight for best results. With your base thoroughly chilled, it's time for the fun part: churning. Pour the cold ice cream base into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl. Churn according to your machine's instructions, typically for 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. If you're adding mix-ins like chocolate chips or cookie dough, incorporate them during the last 5 minutes. Finally, transfer the soft ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours to firm up. Once your ice cream has fully hardened, it's ready to enjoy. For the best texture, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. This allows it to soften slightly, making it easier to serve and enhancing its creamy consistency. Top your delicious creation with hot fudge, whipped cream, or fresh berries. And hey, while you're treating yourself, remember life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.